Look at all the snow.
Yes, it will be a good year. The winter chill is almost gone.
Yes, but the fire is still nice.
Truly. More tea, my dear?
Early spring, rich soil ready for planting. Vital statistics show a 15% increase in crop yield this season. The soil feels perfect this year.
Yes, I have a good feeling about this harvest.
Time for a break.
Not yet. The work isn't done. The storm won't let up.
I'm afraid for the crops.
The storm has passed. Our daikon are safe.
The plants are strong. Thank goodness.
The snow is deep, but we can manage it.
Yes, we must. We've come too far to give up now.
これからこれを引くのは大変だ。いざ引くぞ。精一杯。引くぞ、引くぞ、引くぞ。
I almost have it!
Keep pulling. Don't stop now.
It's coming loose!
Yes, we got it.
Look at this! It's massive!
Oh, you've done it! A masterpiece!
We did it!
We really did.
Keep pushing, Oba-san. We are almost there.
Just a little further, Oji-san. These radishes are heavy.
.この新鮮な大根をどう調理しようか。今日のニュースはね、地元の芝について話していますが。
Almost there.
Careful now.
Got them. Thank you.
Another year. A good harvest. Praise be.
Ah, yes. Just like my father taught me. Ready.
perfectly dried. Yes, successful harvest.
Traditional pickling instructions.
Using seasonal ingredients.
Master the fermentation process. Look at these ingredients, Oba-san.
Yes, Oji-san. They are perfect for pickling. This banner says so too.
The perfect balance of rice bran, salt, and turmeric, passed down through generations.
The secret is in the gentle mix.
"今年のぬか岩は良い出来まさえだな。これでハワイつものができるの。
Preserving the bounty of the harvest, year after year.
「これで大丈夫かな?
よろしく。
Time for pickling.
HNNG8 ふわはほうよいしょ Yes
Oishi. This one is perfect. A satisfied sigh.
That's done.
Yes, perfect. It looks beautiful.
Ah, the time has come.
Look at how perfect it is.
A bountiful harvest indeed. So delicious.
The perfect takuan.
Ah, the smell of spring and a good harvest. Perfect. Ah, this is perfect. Yes, it truly is.
Ah, that's just right. Delicious.
Kiriboshi daikon, a simple yet essential ingredient.
Itadakimasu.
いただきます。
I must remember. I must remember my grandfather's name. Sudden heavy downpour ruins drying radish.
Unseasonal rains cause crop damage in the region.
Hold on tight! It's too heavy. We must protect them. Just a little more.
Oh, my radishes. I hope they don't spoil in this rain. Together. Almost there. Time to get back to work. I won't let anything stop me.
Time to get back to work. You can do it, old man. The harvest is near. The planting is going well, Oba-san.
Yes, Oji-san. Soon we will have a good harvest. The spring is here. Yes, it feels full of hope. Look at the blossoms.
I hope this reaches you well, my dears. Fresh from the farm.
With love and gratitude for your kindness. The fields look beautiful today.
Yes, they do.
Peacefully quiet.
ありがとうございます、みんな。
Thank you for everything.
す。